Good morning, students. After some days, we are start again the chapters. We are studying children and women in sports. We are already discussed in previous video about female athlete pride. We are discussing it is the combination of three diseases: amenorrhea, osteoporosis, and eating disorder. Two diseases we are already discussed. Today we are going to discuss eating disorder. Eating disorder is a third disease of female athlete pride. It is related with a person eating habits. It is related with a person eating habits and how these habits affect a person's health. ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर नॉर्मली फीमेल एथलीट के फूड रिलेटेड हैबिट से जुड़ा होता है. एक्सेसिव और लो इनटेक ऑफ डाइट से कैसे अफेक्ट पड़ता है किसी पर्सन की हेल्थ पर. इट इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू टू टाइप्स: एनोरेक्सिया नर्वोसा एंड बुलिमिया नर्वोसा. फर्स्ट वी कैन टॉक अबाउट एनोरेक्सिया नर्वोसा. Anorexia nervosa. It is a eating disorder. So, in this disorder, characterized by an abnormally low body weight, by an intense fear of gaining weight. Again, I am repeat. It is an eating disorder characterized by an abnormally low body weight, an intense fear of gaining weight, and distorted perception of weight. People with anorexia place a high value on controlling their weight and shape, using extreme effort that tend to significantly interfere with their lives. Anorexia, like other eating disorder, can take over your life and it can be very difficult to overcome. But with the treatment, you can gain a better sense of who you are, return to healthier eating habits, and reverse some of anorexia serious complications. नॉर्मली हम लोग कह सकते हैं एनोरेक्सिया नर्वोसा जो ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर है, इसमें फीमेल और अ पर्सन फूड इनटेक बहुत कम करता है. उसको हमेशा ये डर लगा रहता है फियर ऑफ गेनिंग वेट. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर taking less calorie food and try to controlling their weight, and mainly they are very worried about their weight and their body shape. That's why such kind of person suffering from anorexia nervosa. Physical symptoms of anorexia nervosa. Physical signs and symptoms of anorexia nervosa may include extreme weight loss or not making expected development, thin appearance, patlapan, abnormal blood count, fatigue, insomnia means sleeping problem, dizziness, chakkar aana, fainting, bluish discoloration of the finger, thin hair that break or fall out, soft downy hair covering the body, absence of menstruation in female, constipation, abdominal pain, dry or yellowish skin, intolerance of cold, low blood pressure, dehydration, swelling of arms or legs. These are some physical symptoms of anorexia nervosa. Emotional and behavioral symptoms. There are some emotional and behavioral symptoms like frequently skipping meal or refusing to eat, denial of hunger or making excuse for not eating food, eating only a few certain safe food, usually those are low in fat and calorie. Next, adopting rigid meal or eating ritual such as spitting food out after chewing, डायरेक्ट खाना बिना chew किए हुए, not wanting to eat in public, lying about how much food has been eaten, fear of gaining weight that may include repeated weighing or measuring the body. These are some common behavioral and emotional symptoms. Now we move on to next topic, bulimia nervosa. It is a serious potential life-threatening eating disorder. People with bulimia may secretly binge, eating large amount of food. Binge means eating large amount of food with a loss of control over the eating. And the purge. Purge, it means trying to get rid of extra calories in an unhealthy way. In very short, we can say bulimia nervosa is a eating disorder in which a person, especially female, eat lots of food in very short period of time to get rid of extra calories and prevent weight gain. People with bulimia may use different methods. For example, you may regularly self-induced vomiting or misuse laxative, weight loss supplement, diuretics, a kind of drugs that we studied in class 11. After binging, or you may use other way to rid yourself of calories and prevent weight gain, such as fasting, strict dieting, or excessive exercise. Symptoms of bulimia nervosa include abnormal bowel functioning, damaged teeth and gums. Third point, sore in throat and mouth. Fourth, broken blood vessels in eyes. आंखें लाल पड़ जाती है जब हम लोग इंड्यूस्ड वॉमिटिंग करते हैं. एंड inflammation and irritation in esophagus. These are symptoms of bulimia nervosa.